Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this marvelous design with a canva. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create this seamless pattern or the canva. So you can see this is the seamless pattern I just created. You can see you can use it as a background, abstract background or pattern background, or you can just use it for your work, graphics work. So I just opened a new page here. Then you just click on the elements first, and here you just need to pick this. Actually it's called rounded geometric design. You just need to search here on the elements and just pick this, and you can just pause and just view the name of this element. Then you just need to pick the circle shape. In the circle shape, actually you just pick this and just keep here. Then you just need to color this first. For example, here you can just choose white color and make it on the center like this, and just resize this and make it on the center, just pushing it to the front. And then you just need to change this and position at the center like this, and just click on this and change the color to the black color. And just duplicate this again and just make the line straight. Then here you just need to change the color. You can just choose a black color to the, just choose the white color on the center and black color on the outer circle. Then just select it, resize it, just keep on the position, just make a duplicate and just make it like this straight line. Just duplicate it again like this and just keep it here like this. Okay, it has been centered. So now you can just resize it, and you can just select everything first, entire thing, and just resize it like this. So a particular thing is missing here. I'm just going to make it on the center. Okay, now so after creating center the every circles, just select it and make a duplicate and just move the black circle to the white circle like this. So it will be create some seamless pattern. So I just make a duplicate here and just keeping it to the line. Now you just need to, if you just close this and just select all and make a duplicate it again, and you can just keep it here like this. So try to make it everything to be centered so it will be look great. So keep it on the center aligned. Then just select it all and just make a move to have a full seamless pattern like this. You can just keep, this is actually an idea, you can just use it for your own work. Go to the design option now, just click on the scale and just go to the color pattern. So here you can just choose any color pattern which brings a different colors like this. So it's a great thing to create this type of seamless pattern by using a simple trick on the canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Unique. Have a wonderful day.